Okay. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. If you can see me clearly and also listen to me clearly, you can click on the thumb up or click on the likes, okay, on the YouTube channel or on our 视频号, right? Hello, Daniel. Nice to see you. Hello. Okay, today is going to be very interesting. We have the matchstick problem, okay? These days, would you use the matchstick now, Stu? Okay. Hello, everyone. All right. So if you can see me and hear me clearly, okay, you can give me a like, okay, on the bottom button. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Oh, thank you. Hello. Oh, hello, Jordan. Nice to see you. Hello. Hello. Okay. Yes, thank you for the likes. Okay, we have 3 minutes before it start. Just a heads up, today the matchstick problem gonna be the sample one, the last question in the sample one. So if you have your sample paper one printed out, you can take it out and we can go through the sample paper one last question. And I prepared one more extra question for you to practice it. Ready? Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the like. Nice to see you. Okay, nice. Yes. Yes. Daniel, right? Hello. Okay, 2 minutes. If you want to share this live lesson with your friend, okay, feel free to share with them, okay? Oh, hello, is that Lucian? Oh, thank you for the likes. That for the Lucian. Lucian? Is that true? Okay. So it's gonna be 1 minute before it officially starts, okay? Ready for that? Okay, you still need to get ready, right? At least have your sample paper, okay? And also, I will say, have your pen ready, okay? You like it? Oh, glad to hear that. Glad to see that you like this kind of live lesson, okay? Thank you. Okay, so it's gonna be 1 minute before it officially starts. And welcome everyone. Hello. Hello everyone. Good. Thank you. Like you. Okay, thank you. Thank you. That's Yiheng, right? Thank you. Okay, so now let's officially start our lesson on the matchstick problem. All right, so do you still use the matchsticks these days in your daily life? All right, sometimes you may still use the matchsticks, right, in your daily life, right? And sometimes, okay, this is a self-introduction about myself. then you will see that sometimes you will have the matchsticks art. Okay, have you seen the matchsticks art? Can you believe you can use all the matchsticks to put up a sneaker? Do you know? Do you know how? Okay, so now you can see that this is about using infinitely many matchsticks to put on a sneaker, right? Okay, thank you. And do you know, give it a try, like how to make a matchsticks cherry tree. Do you know that? All right, so maybe, okay, a matchsticks cherry tree gonna look like this, all right? Maybe sometimes at home, you can try it by yourself, right? To make the matchsticks art. But today is still gonna be the math lesson, which we're gonna solve the matchstick problem. All right, so to solve the matchsticks problem, we need to first know like how we use the matchsticks to put up all these numbers. All right, so these numbers are all made of the matchsticks. Okay, can you count how many matchsticks are used in each number? So first of all, guys, how would you count the number of matchsticks for each of these numbers? Do you like count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Do you like count it like this? So I will teach you a small trick, right? Guys, for one matchstick, a matchstick gonna look like this one, right? So what is a special thing of the matchstick? Do you see a special part for the matchstick? Yes, you can see that it has a red head, right? So now to count the number of matchsticks, actually you can just count the red head for each of these matchsticks, and then you can get the total number. So let's count it one by one. All right. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we use 6 matchsticks to put up the number 0, right? Guys, 1 second. Can you tell me how many matchsticks are there for number 1? Is that like only 1 matchsticks for the number 1? Is that true? No, right? Okay. So guys, now, okay, I can see many of the answers popping up, right? Good job. So now for the number 1, we actually use 2 matchsticks. You count it as 1, 2. Okay. So remember, number 1 are made of 2 matchsticks. Okay, it's gonna be a longer one, right? Okay, good job. Very well done, Yuhen, right? Yes, very well done, Daniel. Very well done, Jordan. Oh, amazing job. So now you can see that for the number 2, you see, you count it, right? So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 matchsticks make to the number 2. All right. Good job, Crystal, right? Okay, good job. Any other ones? Yes, very well done. And what about the number 3? So for number 3, how many matchsticks? You still need to count it, right? Okay, you guys still need to count it. Okay. Yes. So that's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now you can see that for the number 3, it still be 5 matchsticks, right? What about 4? 4 is quite special, right? About 4. Wow, so many 5s popping up, so many answers. Wow, that's amazing, right? Good job. So for the number 4, you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 matchsticks can put the number 4, right? So now you can see that number 4 is quite easy to understand. You have 4 matchsticks to put up the number 4. Okay, good job. Very well done, right? And what about the number 5? Hey guys, do you have to count the number 5? Do you have to? You will see that previously, we count the number 2, right? What happened if you flip the number 2 from left to right? If you flip it, would you get the number 5? Would you? Oopsie. Would you get the number 5? Yes, right. So, guys, you will see that if you flip the number 2, you're gonna get the number 5, which means how many matchsticks are there for 5? Still 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, good job. All right, so now you can see that actually you have 2, 3, 5. They all use 5 matchsticks to make it, right? Good job. What about number 6? Okay, maybe 5 seconds for you to count the number 6. Okay, 5. Wow, so many correct answers. Whoa, you guys are amazing, right? So many correct answers. So now for the number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoa, number 6 is also easy to understand, right? It is made of 6 matchsticks. Number 6 are made of 6 matchsticks. Good job. All right. What about the number 7? What about the number 7? Wow, so many correct answers. Amazing. All right, number 7 is actually you just add a hat to the number 1, right? Which you get how many more matchsticks? Yeah, it's just one more. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have 3 matchsticks for the number 7. Okay. What about the number 8? What about that number 8? So now you can see that for the number 8, is it made of like many matchsticks or a few matchsticks? Yes, so many, right? So actually for the number 8, oopsie, it has the most number of matchsticks. That's gonna get you, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it is 7 in here. And what about the number 9? Guys, do you have to count the number 9? Do you have to? Do you have to count the number 9? All right, so now you can see that previously you get the number 6, right? What happened? Okay, what happened if you rotate the number 6 upside down? What happened if you rotate the number 6? Would you get the number 9? Would you get it? Yeah, right. Okay, so now you can see that if you rotate the number 6, you're gonna get the number 9, which means how many matchsticks are there for the number 9? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's gonna be 6 matchsticks for the number 9. All right, so now you need to know, okay, how many matchsticks are there for each of this number. And it will also be great that you can organize them using the number of matchsticks. You will see that here, number 1, use the least number of matchsticks. That is 2 sticks in here. Number 7, use slightly more 3 matchsticks. Number 4, use the 4. And for number 5, at the number 5 level, you have 2, 3, 9. While for the number 8, you're gonna have, okay, you're gonna have, okay, number 7 sticks. You're gonna have number 8 in it, right? Okay, so these are all the matchsticks. If you can't remember it, I would say still that's gonna be okay, right? Because eventually you can still count it one by one, right? Okay, when sort out the questions. Okay, so maybe let's do a warm up. Okay, count the number of matchsticks for each of these numbers. How many matchsticks do we use to form these digits? 7, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 matchsticks. Good job. And how many matchsticks are there for the number 8? How many? If you can't remember it, what should you do? You just need to count it, right? Okay, I can see so many correct answers. Very well done. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sticks for the number 8. What about the number 5? All right. So now you can see that for the number 5, you're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in it. And what about, let's move on. What about the number 4? Okay, anyone still remember how many matchsticks are there for 4? If you can't remember, what should you do? Count it one by one, right? Okay, so now you can see that here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 sticks for the number 4 in here. And what about the number 0? Okay, what about the number 0? Can you type your answer? Okay, yes. So it's gonna get you 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in here. Good job, amazing job. I can see so many correct answers. You're so good at the matchsticks, right? You're so good at it. So what about the number 62? How many are there? So how many matchsticks are there in total? Okay, so now you need to count the sticks for each of these digits, and eventually you add them up to work out the total, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 for the number 6. How many for the number 2? Do you still remember that? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 for the number 2. So how many in total? 6 adding 5? Whoa, guys, that's so quick. You get 11 right away. Wow. Yes, very well done, right? What about the number 11? What about the number 19? How many are there? Yes, you will see that 1, 2, 2 for the number 1, and and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for the number 9, adding them up. What's going to be the final total? Someone give me 8, someone give me 9. What's going to be the correct answer? Yes, it's going to be 8, right? Whoa, that's amazing. Right, good job. So now, okay, after all this warm up, let's officially look at the question 20 in the paper 1, okay? So for each digit from 0 to 9 can be formed using a different number of matchsticks as shown below. Imagine you are given 12 matchsticks and must use them all. What is the smallest 2-digit number that you can form? Okay, guys, first of all, we need to look at the conditions given. How many matchsticks are given to you? 12. All right. Guys, since it's given us 12, can I just use 10 and throw the other 2 matchsticks away? Can you do it like this? Can you? No, right? Okay, so now you can see that if you are given 12 matchsticks, then you need to use exactly 12 matchsticks to form this 2-digit number. All right, okay. So guys, form the smallest 2-digit number. For the 2-digit number, what are the digits in here? Digits, you have the 10th digits, right? And also the 1st digit. Where should I start? Okay, between the 10th digit and 1st digit, which is more important, 10s or 1s? Yes, it's gonna be 10s. Okay, so I will put a crown on the 10s. So 10th digit gonna be more important, which means I need to start from the 10th digit. And in order to get the smallest 2-digit number, for the 10th digit, I need to choose from the smallest number or the biggest number. Yeah, the smallest, right? So I know what is a smallest digit. So 0 must be a smallest digit. I put 0 at the 10th. Can I? So guys, if you have a 2-digit number, can the highest place put the 0 on it? No, right? So guys, if you start from the highest place, can't be 0 in the front, right? If you put 0, then you will see that this number gonna become a 1-digit number. Okay, so no, you cannot do that. Which I need to start from the next smallest digit. What is that? That's gonna be 1. Okay, So I'll say, let's give it a try. Let's put 1 in it. Okay, so if you put 1, you will see that you've used how many sticks? You've used the 2 sticks. And you are given 12 sticks, right? And you need to use the remaining 10 matchsticks to make 1 and only 1 digit. Did you see any of these digits made of 10 sticks? Did you see that? No. You will see that the number 8 with the most number of matchsticks only use 7 sticks. So there is like no digit that you can use 10 matchsticks to put it. Okay, which means, can I put the 10th digit being 1? No. So I need to erase that and I need to start it again. If I can't put 1, I still want this 10th digit to be as small as possible. What's going to be the next smallest digit? Yes, 2, right? So if I put 2, okay, now you will see that for the digit 2, it used how many digits in it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits, right? It means that for 12, if you've used the 5, you're left with 7. Okay, guys, can you find 1 digit that can made of 7 sticks? Yeah, 8. Okay, so that is how we get 28. Okay, and then you will see that here, after some try and error process, you get the correct answer, right? So that's gonna be 2018 here. All right. Okay. So now you ready for the next challenge? You ready for that? Okay. You don't know? Okay. All right. So many comments, right? Okay. Thank you for the likes. Oh, thank you. So now you will see that here. I prepared another question for you. Okay. It's still gonna be the same question in here, but the question changed to what is the largest, okay, 2-digit number that you can form. All right, digit number. I get the tens, I get the ones, right? From between the tens and the ones, which digit is more important, tens or ones? Tens. So I start from the tens. If you want this number be as large as possible for the 10th digit, okay, you need to choose the largest digit in here. What is the largest digit given in the question? Okay, 9, right? So you can actually put a 9 in here. All right, so for 9, it actually used the 6 matchsticks. You're still left with 6, right? You want the number as large as possible, which means for the ones, you still want this digit to be as large as possible. So what can it be? You will see that for the tens, you used a 9, and you used the 6 matchsticks. Can the ones still choose the largest digit to be 9? Yes, right. So the ones digit, I still need to choose the largest digit that I can put, which you will see 9 made of 6 matchsticks. And is this question saying anything like no repeated digit used? No, right? So now you can actually see that in here, since the question does not saying that you cannot use the digit only once, which means for 1 digit you can use as many times as you like, right? You can use it twice, which you can get the largest as the 99. Okay. All right, so this is something extra for you guys. And now let's move on to the practice that I prepared for you, okay, to practice it. And now you can see that here, I'm kind enough for all these digits, I've given you the number of matchsticks. Okay. I've given you the number of matchsticks used to form each of these digits, okay, such that you can refer to that. Okay, so now the digits 0 to 9 can be formed using matchsticks as shown below. Imagine you are given 11 matchsticks and must use them all, okay? So you are given 11 matchsticks and you need to use them all. Then you will see that in here, you need to form a 2-digit number again? No. So now you need to form the largest 3-digit number. Okay. So for a 3-digit number, what are the digits in a 3-digit number? Only the tens and the ones, guys? No, right? So besides the tens and ones, you still have the hundreds. Okay. So now, form the largest. Among the 3 digits given, which one is more important? Or which one is the most important one? Hundreds, tens, or ones? It's gonna be the hundreds, right? Which I need to start from the hundreds. All right. Wow, some of you guys already give the correct answer. That's amazing. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, you start from the hundreds. Since you want the largest 3-digit number, for the hundreds, you need to take it as large as possible. Well, good job. All of you guys get the correct answer. Which the largest digit that you can choose is 9, right? Okay, so you put 9. And you use the 6. After you use the 6, you still have 5 left out, right? So for 5 left out, well, you will see that here. If you back to the very start, okay, let's back to the summary. You will see that here, for many of these digits, they use the 5 sticks or 6 sticks or even 7 sticks. So if you want to use only 5 sticks to put 2 digits, what are the digits that you can choose? What are the digits that you can choose? 1 and 7, right? Because they use 2 and 3 sticks respectively. All right, so now you can see that here, actually, 5 can be split into 2. 5 can be split into 2 and 3. All right. So now I can use the digit 1 and 7. So I put 1 and 7 in here. Is that true, guys? Is that true? No, right? So you need to choose the largest number, which means after the hundreds, for the tens, you need to choose the largest digit that you can choose. Which between the 7 and the 1, you choose which one? Which one is bigger? Yeah, 7. Okay, you're gonna choose the 7. That you use 3. And the last one that you choose the 1. That you use 2 in here. All right, which means in the end, the largest digit that you can form is 9, 7, 1. Okay, good job. Wow. Many of you guys get the correct answer. Amazing job. Very well done. Okay, amazing. Nice job. Okay. Now, guys, for the smallest digits, somehow I see some incorrect answer in here. All right, but it's okay. All right. After I've gone through this question, you're going to understand it, right? So now, guys, the second one, you need to choose the smallest 3-digit number. Okay, given the 11 sticks, and you need to use them all. All right, so now for the smallest one, you still have hundreds, tens, and the ones, right? Now, I still start from the hundreds. Among the 3, this one is the most important. So for the hundreds, I need to take a number as small as possible. Can I take 0 in it? No, okay. So for the highest place, you can't put a 0 in here. If you put a 0, it's become a 2-digit number. Okay, so no, you cannot put a 0 on it, which means besides 0, what is the smallest digit? 1, right? Amazing job. It's gonna be 1 in here, all right? So let's put 1. And for 1, you've used 2 matchsticks. After you've used the 2, you're still left with 9, right? Well, 9. So many matchsticks in here. Guys, let's move on to the tens. I can see different choices for the tens. Then which one is the smallest? Compare all the numbers you typed out. Which one is the smallest? You will see that for the tens, okay, for the tens, I need to choose the smallest digit that I can, right? For the highest place, I can't put 0 on it. But can I put a 0 in the middle? Yes, right. I can put a 0 in the middle, and the 0 is the smallest digit among all the digits given. So if you put a 0 into the tens, this is the smallest digit that I can choose for the tens. How many matchsticks used? 6. Okay. If you split 9 into 6, and the other part's gonna be 3. Okay. So now you can see that what is the only digit that use 3 matchsticks to make up? Yeah, it's gonna be 7, right? Okay. That is gonna be 7. Okay. So now you can see that some of you guys like are saying the 1, 1. If you choose 1, that's gonna be 118 or like 124. Then you will see that, okay, guys, if you compare it, if they have the same hundreds for the tens, you already choose the 0. 0 gonna be the smallest, which means you don't have to compare the ones. Okay, so for the tens, always remember to think about it, start it all over again for the tens. Which one is the smallest digit that you can choose? Okay, and you're gonna get 107. Okay, 107, that's gonna be the smallest. Right? Yes, I can see that in the end, many of you guys can type the correct answer, right? Good job. Some of you guys get me 103. How? Okay. It's gonna be 11 matchsticks, right? Okay, it's 107. And don't mix up the number of matchsticks used and the digit you are used in here. Okay, yeah, good job. And now you will see that still having fun with the matchsticks, right? Okay, today it is basically about the matchsticks problem. And the most important thing is that you need to know how to like count the number of matchsticks used for each of these digits, and starting from the highest digit to sort out the largest one or the smallest one. All right. So hope you enjoyed that. And if you like this lesson, do give me a thumb up or a like, okay, online. Okay, thank you for the likes. Okay, thank you very much. Yes, thank you for the likes. And then you will see I will say good night and maybe see you soon. Okay, see ya. Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah, thank you for the likes. Okay, bye. Bye bye.